Alright guys, so let's continue. So what I'm going to do is to first add audio, second is add some sort of like a photo mechanism that can get users camera or get users like the image library and choose a specific photo, maybe add some functionality of like crop the photo and use that specific photo as the whack, that sort of placeholder. Okay, whack anything, and of course you can like change that to the thing that you can't whack, say your boss. Okay, or you can whack your boss. Okay, that's just some like a fun trivial game that you can do whatever you want just to like get the gas out of your system. Okay, just let it out, and it's like kind of like an arcade game. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is to first, so let's go to the board. Okay, so every time, so first let's solve the audio problem. So every time that you tap it, I'm going to say, hey, you earn a score, and you are going to like play some audio. So play some, something like that. So like a score or correct, I'm going to get something like this. So correct and dot play. Okay, right now it won't work, of course, because I haven't write the code yet. So yeah, I have to use like an AV foundation to get the audio player ready and to like initialize it inside of the board. So yeah, but I just love to write this like a pseudo code just as a placeholder, and you can do that like step by step. Okay, so I want you to tap this, and if it's correct, it will earn you a score. At the same time, you will reward you some positive feedback. Say hooray, hooray, hooray. Or what is more interesting, you can do something like something like that. You can record it yourself. I'm going to like record it. So if you missed that. You're going to say, well, miscount plus equals to plus equals to 1, and then you're going to like play wrong. Okay, and then you play something like that. Okay, and it could be something like that. Yeah, like a really bad voice. Also, I'm going to record this. So let's record this thing, okay? Ouch. Okay, just 2 seconds. Ouch. Okay, I believe I can like edit this to trim all this like waiting sound. As long as you tap it, it will be ouch. Okay, and just ouch. Even. Ouch. 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 Yeah, maybe just for. Yeah. Ouch. Yeah, that will do. That will do. And then there will be the correct one will be ouch. And I'm going to do something interesting. So if you are wrong, you are not hitting something, so it should be something like yeah. Yeah, just have a fun. Okay, so let me just trim this. Okay, I believe I did like the Beats trainer app at using like Kotlin and Jetpack Composer, so like an Android sort of Swift UI. And yeah, I believe the audio, you have to like treat that with extremely care, because if the person like span it, like click that multiple times at a very short time, and you're going to run like a multi-thread problem. We will talk about that. And by the way, if you're interested in Android, I'll also call that Android like video. Okay, so you can check it out. Yeah, something like that. It's really interesting, right? So probably just 1 second. Okay, let's trim it. Okay, 1 second. That's good. I'm going to save it. Okay, I record that and I save it, but unfortunately I got some errors wrong. So I'm very sorry about that. I have to, because my computer is like not working properly. It's having replaced for a pretty long time. So yeah, sorry about that. And so if I like pause it for too long, it may just get corrupted, and all the work will be gone. So yeah, I'm going to like pause it here, stop it here, and I will continue to do that when I actually got back. So sorry about that. Bye.